So good morning or good afternoon, everyone. So I read a Bible verse. So ideas go away, but direction stays. So pasig dito sa nabasa ko, what if we follow the directions of God's? What if we have enough our idea or our ways to be to plan ourselves to be a better, but it's much better if we follow the directions of what God says. Sabi dito sa Proverbs Proverbs chapter 19 verse 21 and in Psalm chapter 32 the Lord promises, I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will guide you with my eye. Ibig sabihin, siga na alam ng lahat when it comes to what is better for all of us. And it makes sense if we read the Bible said what it makes better person when suddenly have have God says that we should follow Him kasi hindi tayo mapapahamak. Through God's instruction, we know we malayo tayo sa kapamahakan. And we should follow Him with a purpose. Kung ano ba yung ginagawa natin, actions with God is strong enough to have the Holy Spirit in our body. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng ideas go away, but direction stays with God's our body and soul. So keep watching.